your girl Cindy, and I'm back with another video, period. First of all, I want to thank y'all for 1K. We're currently at 1.7K right now, and I'm so excited. Hopefully we get to 2K before the end of July. I got to 1K on July 1st, so period. My month, yeah. But anyways, let's just get into this video, y'all. I bought me a Sony ZV-F1 camera, and I really got that because I've been taking YouTube really serious, and I want to get on my, grind. And I just feel like my phone does me justice, but it's like I'm tired of having to like pause a video to delete a bunch of stuff just to come back and record. At a point, I actually started recording off Snapchat just so I could save the video. But let's just get into this video already, So we're gonna start off with this, and y'all keep in mind everything I ordered is from Amazon. I'm gonna try to put the links down below and everything. I think there's like one missing package, and that's the tripod, but it's gonna take a while to come out. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna put a picture of the tripod up here, or maybe if the tripod comes before I upload this video, I'll put like a little clip of the tripod. But yeah, let's just get into the unboxing. Okay, y'all, so this is the case. I got me a lilac case. I just thought it was cute. I didn't want to get pink. Pink isn't really my color. I really wanted to get a baby blue, but I couldn't find like a cute baby blue color, so I'm gonna stick with this lilac color. It's really pretty. It's really like light because of the lights and everything, but I like the color. Oh, it came with... See, y'all, it came with a screen protector. If I knew it was gonna come with a screen protector, I wouldn't have gotten a screen protector. I probably might return it. We'll see. But that's that. The next package we have is... Hold on, y'all. Let me put this back. We're going to open this next. Okay, I thought my address was there. Okay, so this is the SD card reader. Hopefully this one works. I got it from Amazon. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to return it and get one from Apple. And then I got this memory card, the SD disc. This is the 128 one. I actually got two, but it's not in here. Okay. We're going to get into the boxes. It's the first box. I really hope it's not the camera because I want to open the camera last. Like, I just, Yeah. I'm so excited, y'all. Like, ooh. And I'm gonna be telling y'all the prices of everything like later. I'm probably gonna put like a picture of the price. If not, it's always gonna be in the link below. But actually the camera originally is like $500, but when I got it, it was actually on sale. So yeah. Okay, this is the battery, guys. I got some extra batteries, 3 extra batteries, because I did hear that the Sony ZV-F1 does die quickly, so I got some batteries just to be prepared, you never know. I don't know if y'all really want to see how it looks inside, but I'm gonna show y'all the charger. They really need to start giving us adapters for this stuff. Like, come on now. Comes with 3 batteries, y'all. And then this is like the charging thing. We're gonna put that back and get into the last box. Let's get into this last box. Drum roll, guys. Period. Anyways, on the way to 2K, so make sure y'all subscribe. And y'all, make sure y'all follow me on all my social media at Cindy the Brat. My Instagram and TikTok is Cindy the Brat. And then follow my other page at Get Ready With Me, grw.ify on TikTok and Instagram. And then my Instagram YouTube page is Cindy's Files. So you can follow me on all of that. Link will always be in the description. But yeah. And y'all ignore the mess. Like, not really a mess, but ignore all of this right here. It's for back to school. I still need to film a video of it, so yeah. Got some stuff from Fashion Nova, Victoria's Secret, Shein, Darlington or Burlington. I don't even know what store that is. It's either Burlington or Darlington. I don't know. I just be calling it both. And then I got some stuff from City Trend too. So yeah. I'm low-key so excited for school to start, guys, because I'm gonna be a senior. Like, it's gonna be my last year in high school, and I'm so like so excited. My baby is here, y'all. Okay, so y'all, this is the other SD card that I got. This is the 256 one, and this one right here is the 128. I just got that so I have enough storage, you know? Yeah, because I'm tired of having storage problems. What y'all really been waiting for. No. Drum roll, guys. I'm just playing, y'all. The Sony ZV-F1 camera. Oh, yeah. Look good. Okay, y'all. So this is the box. I don't think y'all really want to see it, but I'm teasing y'all. But let's just get into it. Okay, so once you open up the box, it's just like a bunch of manuals, and I'm pretty sure these are like instructions and stuff, which I'm probably gonna read off camera because I know y'all don't want to see me reading papers. Okay, that's that. Okay, then when you actually open the next part, oh, I thought that was gonna come out. Why do I feel like there's something missing? Okay, we're gonna open this. What's this? Oh, this is like the wind muffler, right? I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, but I'm gonna call it that. So that's this. Comes with a charger. They need to start giving us adapters, like I said, yeah. Okay, so it comes with a battery. I low-key feel like it's just missing something because the box seems so empty. Okay, so this is the battery, and I don't think it comes with something to charge the battery. I feel like that's what it's probably missing. Is it supposed to give me something to charge the battery or no? Well, I'll figure it out in a little bit and I'll let y'all know. But let's get into the camera, y'all. So this is what y'all really been waiting for, right? Okay. So this is the camera, guys. And you are able to like flip it and everything. So yeah. So obviously you could open and close this, but we're not going to focus on this right now. On top right here, you see the off on button, the record button, and this is for zooming in and everything. So that's that. And this is where the wind muffler thing is supposed to go, right here. And then on this side we have like the charging port. Like, this is where you're supposed to charge the camera and all of that. And then over here, this is where the battery and the SD card goes into. And oh yeah, this is where the tripod is going to be screwed onto, just in case y'all wondering. And these are just like a bunch of buttons. I need to figure out what they're exactly for, you know. But I'm gonna like get the battery thing situated and figure out if I'm actually supposed to get something to charge the battery. And then when I have that all situated, I'm gonna come back with y'all and show you like the quality and everything. I'm gonna record when I'm first turning on the camera, y'all. Trust and believe, because I want to get that on camera. Don't play. But I'll see y'all in a little bit, okay? Hey guys, so I'm back and everything, and I did check around, and that's really all was supposed to be in the box. I really thought it was something missing because it's so empty. I expected it to be kind of full, but I'm gonna be using this screen protector and I'm gonna be putting it on before we turn on the camera or anything. And it did come with like 2 screen protectors, so I'm gonna definitely return that other one and get a refund. Okay guys, so I'm about to put the SD card and the battery inside. I'm gonna be putting the 182 one first. So it's gonna be going like at the top one up here. And then guys, it's in here. So we're gonna be putting in the battery next. Okay, so the battery and the SD card is in now. So we're gonna be turning it on. Okay, actually guys. Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna put on the case and everything before I turn it on. So this is how the camera basically looks with the case and everything on. Okay, so we're gonna be turning it on. Okay, so it's just option English. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set it up off camera and I'll get back to y'all whenever I'm done with everything. Guys, it's all set. Oh my god, so I'm gonna like open this up and oh my gosh, y'all, it looks so good. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from my angle. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't wait till I get a tripod. The quality is giving. I'm gonna just let y'all go ahead and see it. Oh, I think I zoomed it in. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyways guys, I'm gonna film like a little clip of it on here and I'm gonna insert it. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Everything will be linked down below. I'm gonna try to have the prices up there, or if I don't, just click the link and you see it, because the price may be different, because I feel like Amazon was like having like, you know, the Prime delivery sale and everything, and that's when I got this stuff. So hopefully I convinced y'all to get this. I'm probably gonna like do a more in-depth video if y'all want me to. Maybe not, depends on what y'all want on this camera once I get to know more features about it. And I'm gonna be recording definitely on 4K, and y'all, I recommend charging it because this stuff is like low-key almost dead, but I'm gonna charge it and everything afterwards. But I'm gonna like close up the video maybe on this camera, or I don't know. I'm gonna insert a clip and I'll get back with y'all. Okay guys, so hey guys, so this is basically me recording off the camera. This is my first video. Oh my gosh, the quality is like so good, I kid y'all not. But hopefully, like I said, I hope I convinced y'all to get this. Without further ado, hope you guys enjoy this video. Follow me on all social media platforms at Cindy the Brat, and also follow my Get Ready Me page at grw.ify on Instagram and on TikTok. And I'm gonna say bye to y'all back on my iPad basically. Oh my gosh, I love the quality. Look at this. Like, you cannot tell me nothing. This is the best investment I probably made so far with YouTube. And I can't wait till we keep growing, guys. Y'all, subscribe, watch my video. Yeah. Mwah. Y'all hear that volume? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be tea. But anyways guys, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Y'all already know I got that back to school content coming for y'all. Like I said, this haul will be coming soon, and it will be recorded on this bad thing right here. And I am going to put a picture of the tripod I'm supposed to get. And if I get the tripod on time before I'm done editing this video, I will insert like a video of it. But I'll see y'all in my next video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, bro, to 2K. Mwah.
Why you gotta fight with me?